Climb inside the 2018 Kia Sportage. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.